So there are very few genetic diseases where it's only one gene that's going to be responsible for that disorder. Instead, most human genetic diseases are polygenic or caused by variations in several genes. And this can make many different types of disorders very difficult to study or treat. Things like obesity, for example, has its cause in not only genetic but also environmental causes. A single base pair change, though, in one of the approximately 20,000 human genes can lead to some very serious inherited disorders. These are known as monogenic diseases. Some examples of this: Marfan Syndrome. There's one particular gene, fibrillin 1 gene, there's a tyrosine to a stop codon change. This is a nonsense mutation. Cystic fibrosis. There's a 3 base pair deletion of phenylalanine codon at position 508. That's all, of one particular gene, and it can lead to massive, massive problems. Beta Thessaly is an example of a genetic disease that can arise from a large number of mutations. So many different types of mutations can arise and all lead to that same disorder. And there's over 250 mutations in the beta globin gene that can be associated with this disease. And it can be single nucleotide change, it can be insertions, it can be deletions, all different types of mutations can arise from this. It's an autosomal recessive blood disorder, and it results from a reduction or absence of hemoglobin. Many symptoms, and it depends on what types of mutations an individual has. They can be severe, they can be mild. Weakness, delayed development, jaundice, enlarged organs, and can affect people from many different countries: Mediterranean, North Africa, Middle East, Central Asian, and South Asian countries primarily. So here are just a few examples of mutations in that gene that can cause the beta thalassemia. There are 22 mutations known in this particular region, over 100 throughout the gene, and then others in very specific locations as well. Some genetic disorders are caused by DNA repeats, and we've found these now that we are able to do more molecular analysis of different genomes. Normal individuals may have fewer than 30 repeats of a particular region. 20 disorders exhibit over 200 repeats. And again, going back to how does this happen, a lot of times it happens during replication. There is some slippage event, and the same area is replicated over and over and over. Things like Fragile X syndrome, Huntington disease is a great example of that, myotonic dystrophy, and so on.